Hello everyone, how are you doing? I hope everyone will be fine. So friends, I am from Jobs in London, UK and londonclassified.org from Facebook and YouTube page. So guys, in this video, I will show you how to get job in London, UK and how to apply. So it's very easy and simple process. So this time now I am showing today's latest job. So guys, this is new and updated job, project coordinator required in London. So let's check out the details and requirement for the job. Project coordinator required in London. Would you like to be a part of forward-thinking, creative and innovative team? Are you excited about pushing boundaries and supporting people to bring their ideas to life? If so, we want to hear from you. NHS England Improvement have a fantastic opportunity to work in the staff experience and engagement team within the 7 region Midlands, London, South East, South West, East of England, North West and Yorkshire. Interviews are to be held virtually on the week commencing the 18th of October 2021. Please note that if you are invited an interview, there will be an ask for presentation plus interview question. We are looking for people with a passion for health and well-being and who are interested in improving the staff experience and who would thrive in an environment where you have an opportunity to work with regional, national and system colleagues. The successful candidate will be well supported by the health and well-being manager. The team is very welcoming, inclusive, kind and caring. We really want to show the positive impact a great team like ours have. Your voice and passion will be listened to. If you are not already convinced what a great opportunity this is, we would love to hear from you and have added dates and time into our diaries for you to call Stacy to discuss the role. Please do contact us if you require any responsible adjustment at any stage of the recruitment process or to discuss our flexible working opportunities. Wishing you all the best of luck with your applications. For further details, informal visit contact name Stacy Lane, job title health and well-being, manager email address. So guys, these are the details and requirement for the job. So project coordinator required. So friends, if anyone interested in this job, so you can easily apply and send your updated CV to this email address. And if you have any question about this job, so you can easily contact this number and ask question. So guys, you must have a previous experience in relevant field and you must be graduate relevant subject, then you can eligible for this job and you can easily apply. So guys, salary and benefit not mentioned in the details, so it will be discussed at the time of interview. So guys, I hope you understand. So guys, this link is very helpful for you. So if anyone who can search more jobs related to your criteria and experience, so you can visit our website. This website daily basis job update and many other categories job available in the website, so you can easily visit and search jobs and you can directly apply. So first of all, you will watch this video. This video is very helpful for you to apply any job. So guys, this link given in the video description on YouTube page and also new jobs links available in the description, so you can directly apply. So guys, I hope you understand these step and process. So guys, if you like this video, please like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for new updated video notification. So friends, thank you. Thanks for watching.